I'm asking you specifically, what is going to change? Okay. Mahesh is saying retail business is changing. Okay. So I'm going to allow Mahesh to talk. Mahesh, go ahead, talk. What do you mean retail business is changing?
Means the shopping lifestyle wherein the people were going to buy clothes from they used to go to mall, they used to go to shop. But I think post corona they will be ordering from online only. So the digital age has come. Now then the cinema might have gotly changed because due to Netflix, Amazon Prime. Nowadays people are all using their subscriptions. So most probably the cinema halls maybe the public will be going with will less. So their business also will be affected.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you, Mahesh, for sharing that. Then we have one more share from Amit. Amit, go ahead. I have unmuted, allowed you to talk. The way we do our business. So, what exactly do you think is going to change?
So yeah, as I said, the retail business will change completely. There will be a spike in e-commerce business around like it will double up in coming days. The cinema business will go down for next 2 years at least because people will not be going to cinema halls. So that's going to change completely. Uh, and the people who are doing a business, probably retail, they will move on to something else. So it will be a complete shuffle of a business for few people.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Amit, for sharing that. Then we have a share from Sunil also, more work from home. Sunil, I'm going to allow you to talk. Kindly go ahead, explore your point a bit more. Unmute yourself.
Nowadays we have started that work from home.
Hmm.
As I am a tax consultant, so I am planning that my entire office will be work from home
Okay.
till lockdown and after lockdown, because we have
Okay.
some freelancer, they are working from their system. Now we are planning to get virtual server and all everybody can work from home after this lockdown period also. So this
Okay.
pattern will be like our profession, CA and tax consultant, will be
Mm-hmm.
more effective, time saving.
Okay, okay, super share. Thank you, Sunil, for sharing that. Mahesh, we already discussed cinema business. Pramod is saying lifestyle product requirement will reduce. Um, Pramod, can you explain your point more?
Hi, good morning.
Good.
So if you see, everyone is going in the conservation mode now. So all the high-end gadgets, then your automation product, your high-end chandeliers, high-end lightings, or be it any kind of luxurious product, luxurious car, or anything in that category. Everyone will stop buying that at least for next 6 months because everyone is in conservation mode. So they will try to save the money instead of just spending that on these things. So
Okay.
that is my point of view.
Okay. So it will be hampering luxury segments as per Pramod. That's what he is saying. Thank you, Pramod, for sharing that. And then we have someone saying mentality of people. Who is that? I see a big number name. I don't know who is that. Pratik is saying if we get a vaccine soon, everything will be back. Pratik, I've allowed you to talk. Go ahead and can you explain your point?
So today only I was reading that they've now started with the plasma therapy, wherein they take the plasma from a person who's recovered from COVID and they match it and inject it in other patients, which is now working a lot. People have come back from the ventilators also due to this therapy. So this is a kind of a vaccine system which is started. If actually it starts working and we have a vaccine for it, I think everything is going to be back to normal again. Because we have seen, especially in Mumbai, we have seen so many things have happened in the past, and people have come back to their normal lives as soon as they are.
Okay, got it. Super positive, amazing share, Pratik. Thank you for sharing that. Then we have Rahul sharing. Rahul, can you start talking? Market demands for lifestyle essential will increase. Luxury items will have less demand for 1 or 2 years.
As for I am checking in the market also. Means I'm talking with various groups of entrepreneurs, and they are saying that life essential goods demand will increase,
Okay.
and luxurious item will have less demand. Means who is afford means can afford only they will buy luxurious item.
Okay.
The shortage of this life essential goods will happen.
Okay. Okay, very, very true. Thank you, Rahul, for sharing that. Vikram Sinha is saying more online meetings than before, aviation and travel and tourism. Vikram Sinha, can you just explore your point a bit more, deeper?
Yeah, earlier in business meetings used to happen. People used to travel from say Mumbai to Bangalore, Bangalore to Chennai,
Yeah.
Chennai to Delhi. But after this, during this time, we have learned to have successful online meetings. We learn how to share. We learn still we can discuss and create valuable output through the meeting. So that will drop down. So that will change a lot. So all these new technologies will spread. Required hardware will spread all across.
Mm-hmm.
People will be ready for that. And the second point was due to this less travel, all airline businesses, all travel businesses, and that will also affect the tourism business. So this is the negative mode of the post-COVID, and the first one is the positive signs that technology will spread across.
Very true. Thank you so much for sharing that, Vikram Sinha. You guys are sharing amazing stuff here. Very true. And I'm just going to join all the dots. Okay. Nilesh is saying schooling and tuitions will change to online. I'm going to allow everyone to speak, okay? So that, we also get to know each other also a lot. And Nilesh, I don't see you. Yeah, okay, I see you now. Okay, Nilesh, go ahead, just explore your point. Schooling and tuition will change online. Children's learning will be moved completely towards online learning. Tell me.
Yeah, nowadays because of this COVID, everybody is at home and schools has started. Now everybody is learning through the app, and school is also sending videos and audios for them to learn.
Yes.
So my children is now learning through the online only. He needs now computers or the mobiles.
Yes.
So he is just trying to learn from that only, and that is going to make him understand that this is going to be most effective than rather than going actually to the school, and then because he can see it multiple times.
Very true.
So that is the best part of it, because whatever he couldn't understand in just one go, he can repeatedly see it and then learn it. So that's one positive thing I can see. And then now just because they are good in technology, they are very they are finding it easy to handle.
Okay.
So more I can see that the children are taking more interest in learning that way.
Super.
So that's why I feel that online learning will become very much popular
Yes.
in the children's.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that, Nilesh. And Gaurav has a share also from his own sector. So Gaurav, go ahead. Please explore your point more. Commercial sector construction would be slowed down, so we have to focus more on the sector for a few times, which will be in need and right time to capture essential market. Very true. So Gaurav, can you explore that point more? Gaurav, you can unmute yourself and start talking. Mahesh is saying construction sector is getting affected. Mahesh, you can unmute yourself again and start talking. Just explore that point more.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Construction sector will be taking a big hit after Corona because of the movement of the laborers, the movement of the materials, and probably that sector will be the major sector which will be most affected post Corona, and we need to look how that sector will come up.
Okay.
After
Do
this,
we have
Corona.
Manish in the room? Manish, what's your perspective on that? You are a builder. You are a big guy. Can you shed light on that? You can unmute yourself if you are there.
Yes, actually, I have a little contradictory statement on this.
Okay.
I feel that people living in the slums are mostly affected in Mumbai.
Okay.
So after this pandemic, they would try to move out of the slums and would try to go somewhere in most properly organized colonies and buildings and
Okay. Okay. So Manish sees a silver lining there. Super awesome, Manish. Salute to your attitude, and thank you, Manish, for sharing that perspective. Um, okay, Vikram Sinha is saying you can just call me Vikram. Okay, understood, Vikram. I'll call you this. That Chirag is saying either be smarter or go out of the market. Very true. Sunil is saying we are becoming more dependent on technology. That is also true. And Vikram is saying hospitality industry positive growth. Vikram, go ahead, unmute yourself. We can explore that point more. What do you mean hospitality industry is saying? Because someone just said it's going to hamper travel. It's going to hamper everything else.
Yeah, it's not about hospitality. It's about hospital or medical industry.
Oh, I just misread that. Okay,
Yeah.
medical industry. Yes,
Yeah,
very
so
true.
there will be positive because all the hospitals will be now having a separate special zones for this. There will be additional labs will be created specially for this kind of maybe future things. A lot of sale to the medical equipments, hospital improvements. Maybe they have better air conditioning control, comfort will be also focused for these things. So new hospital will surely have a separate isolation ward. So design in the hospital industry will completely change.
Very true. Very true. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. The medical industry is completely going to change. Thank you, Vikram, for sharing that. Revati is saying kids and parents will be using online more than ever, even for sporting activities. Outdoor sporting activities are not allowed in this situation, so we will be more technology time. Revati, just go ahead, unmute yourself, and you can start talking. Just explore that point more. So.
Yes, good morning, Sudhir.
Very good morning.
Yes, right now, nowadays, we are not allowing kids to go out, whether for studies or for any sporting activities. So much and more on spending more time on online.
Yes.
So I'm not getting my cell phone at all. In 24 hours of my time, you won't believe whether my elder son will be playing or studying something on this, or my younger one.
Okay.
We are spending more time on technology rather than spending. We are spending less time on human values.
Okay. Less time on human values. Huh? Okay. Okay. Got it. Awesome. Thank you, Revati, for that share. Okay. So every one of us, we need to understand what has humanity realized. Okay. Through this experience that we are just going through, and pretty soon I think yes there will be a vaccine also. There are more than 70 vaccines being tested right now. Okay, this is just what I found out yesterday. More than 70 vaccines being tested all throughout the globe, and human trials of among about 40 of them have already started. All right, so there is going to be a vaccine very, very soon, and probably some of you said things are going to go back to normal once you have the vaccine. But some things, even if there is vaccine, even if corona goes away, as in there is no more fear of that, some things humanity has realized. Okay, and what are those things? Okay, one of the thing is technology is important. Okay, that is what humanity has realized, and many stuff, lot of stuff can be done online. Okay, so this is one thing that humanity has realized. Thank you, Nilesh, for sharing that. Nilesh, you can unmute yourself and you can explore that point a lot more. I was coming to that point only next. Second thing humanity has realized is health is very, very important. Okay, that is another thing. As Nilesh is saying, immunity is what you need to improve. Nilesh, go ahead. You can explore that point more.
Yeah, see, in India, actually, we are celebrating Yoga Day just because Modi has initiated and he has taken it forward to the world. But I have seen that still very less people are really following the yoga practices. And if you will see, this corona is affecting the lung system. So it is exactly the thing which yoga really helps us. to
Okay.
improve our respiratory system, and it really helps us from the health point of view. So I think that everybody should now start practicing the yoga, so that such kind of problems you can just get rid of just by doing your regular lifestyle.
Lifestyle. Are you a yoga? Are you a yoga practitioner, Nilesh?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you need to start. What do you do nowadays?
See, I am doing the Brahma Vidya, which is really in which you are practicing the pranayam, then some
Yes,
of
but
the yogic practices of the respiratory for improving the respiratory system and your
got it.
spinal cord system.
Got it. But what business you do currently?
I'm a structural consultant, and I'm in the civil. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So you
Civil.
should stop that, get into yoga, and start doing that as your business right away. Okay, that's my immediate feedback for you. Okay, thank you, Nilesh, for sharing that. Yes, as Pratik is mentioning in the chat box, hygiene. Okay, is where people have realized how important is hygiene. Okay. Uh, Mahesh is saying green energy will be focused. Mahesh, I'm going to ask you to unmute again and explore that point more. But you know what? Amazing. I mean, you must have also seen this. Amazing way nature has coped up with stuff, and amazing visuals you see. You know, there are tortoises on the beaches, then animals coming out of the zoo and roaming around. You know, yesterday only I saw some photographs from the Borivali National Park. You know, the animals are just roaming around on the roads and all, and they are having a lot of fun, right? Mahesh, what do you mean to say exactly when you say green energy will be main focus? Why do you say that?
See, actually, because of this, what has happened in the last financial, what 5 years or 10 years, we have seen this crisis always been happening within a gap of 5 to 6 years. And basically, what is humanity and Mother Nature is telling us that you have reached to that point of extreme where you are not going back. And this is the indirect way of Mother Nature telling us that again she need to recoup with all the damage what you have done. And probably she is saying that the green energy, solar energy is the way of the town. The windmill, these are all the things which we need to start and get more focus, so that the Mother Nature will be supporting us.
Awesome. Thank you, Mahesh, for that share. Okay. Then Revati is saying conscious efforts on healthy habits. Very true. Okay. So technology is being focused. Health is very, very important. That is what is being focused on. Hygiene is being focused on. Green energy, as Mahesh says, probably that will be also one of the focuses. And health, that's the message we have given to our children. Okay, health is more important than school. Okay, this is another important message we have given our children. And now children, as some of you have shared, children now understand that it's okay to sit at home and learn. It is okay, you can learn through internet also, right? There are a lot more things to learn, right? Internet itself is a huge thing to learn, right? So this is a big mindset change that has happened. And schools have also understood that in the event of a pandemic like this, schools will be the first things that will stop, and that will be closed down. Okay, so that is another thing that humanity has realized. One more thing humanity has realized is work can happen from home. That is another thing that humanity has realized. And because of all these realizations, there are some sectors. I don't want to talk about which sectors are going to close, because I don't want to be any kind of a judge. But one thing I know for sure, that some business industries, some business sectors are going to boom like anything, even if there is a vaccination available for corona. Okay, now which are those industries, which are those sectors, or which business you should be in? Okay, and this is very, very important this is very, very important for all of us, all of the Success Habits Masterminds, to understand which business you should be in right now, irrespective of whatever business, other businesses you are in. Okay, so we already have some ideas coming in. So yes, definitely online courses. Do you know online course has become a $7 billion market right now? $7 billion market is the online course market. Okay, so is there anything that you can teach? I am sure every one of you has something or the other you can teach, and you can teach it online, and you can reach so many people. Okay, then Mithali is saying training. Yes, I'll put it in online only. But cyber security. Okay, Mahesh is saying cyber security, which I agree. Okay, which I agree to, because so many online stuff coming on now. There are going to be so many more online viruses and so many more online thefts happening, online security issues are happening. You saw a lot of issues happening itself with the Zoom platform and all of that, right? And even if there is no issue, there will be super competition and there will be created issues, right? So cyber security is going to be a big thing. Very true. Training people to become tech savvy. Okay, this is what I believe. Okay, is going to be a big industry in itself. How to use technology itself is going to be a big industry coming up. Okay, Revati is saying gym, yoga, gym also, Revati, most of the time home gym. Okay, so home gym equipments are going to pick up like anything. Yoga, health checkups. Okay, so as we have already said, medical and medicine is going to be booming big time. Virtual server system. Sunil, I will love you to explore more on that. Can you unmute yourself and just explain that as to everyone? What is a virtual server system?
System is like you have your system on cloud.
Yes.
And all of your staff can use the same server as we are using in current situation at like LAN, what we are using at a similar office. So work from home is the best solution for that. Virtual servers will be there.
Okay.
And you can use that directly. Your data, everything will be shared over there.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Sunil, for sharing that. That was a brilliant insight. Then Mahesh says virtual reality and artificial intelligence. Very true. VR and AI. Pratik is mentioning PPE. Pratik, go ahead, unmute yourself. We can talk. What do you mean by PPE?
It's the personal protective equipment.
Very true. Thank you for sharing that. Personal protective equipment. Okay, very good. Can you give some examples of what kind of equipments we are talking about?
The face shields, the face masks, the eyewears, the goggles.
Yes.
Everything of that is going to increase. It is not just for the healthcare workers, even for the normal people also. The use of masks and everything is already increased. So yeah, that
very good. Super share, Pratik. Thank you for sharing that. E-commerce, definitely yes. People are going to buy more on online platforms. Rakesh is saying platforms like Zoom. Okay, so technological softwares. Okay, software industry is going to be big. It was already big. Did you know, revenue wise, the biggest industry even before Corona was online courses. After that, the biggest industry was software industry. Okay, now software industry is going to get even more boost. Online influencers. Okay, wow, interesting suggestions you are giving. Pratik is saying sanitization. I think we have written that. Medical and medicine, I will put it in that only. Biotechnology. Wow, Mahesh, where are you getting all these ideas? Go ahead, unmute yourself and just just explain online influences and biotechnology. Why do you say all of these things?
Online influencers, because I think I have, when I was doing bombs, Sudhir sir has shown me some of the Instagram influencers, some of, I think, foreign actresses. They have so much followers in them. Literally, she is earning just sitting at home. And what she is doing, she's nothing doing, just showing her lifestyle, what she is doing, what she is wearing, the only clothes, the jewelry, nothing other than that. But still, the people are following, and just she is influencing the people's decision. So maybe some of the people who want their industries like beauty industry or technology industry, they want, then they go for influential kind of thing.
Thank you,
And
Mahesh, for sharing
biotechnology.
Yeah, biotechnology. Yeah, go ahead.
Biotechnology is actually right now already India and other countries are already in advance in R&D stage, and because of this corona and new viruses which may be coming in the future also, this particular industry I think is the main thing which the scientists and doctors need to work on, and probably this is the way where we can see the future.
Okay, super awesome. Thank you, Mahesh, for sharing that. Okay, then two more points I have just thought of right now. One is basic necessities business. Okay, basic necessities businesses. Okay, what do we mean? Food businesses. Okay, but again, restaurants are going to be hampered. But online delivery and all of that. So you will see a lot of kitchens starting at home and delivering food. Okay, so that is one thing we are going to see. Then another industry is garments. Okay, basic necessities, garments also is going to keep on going on. And only thing is, everything is the entire model is going to go online, and very few retails shopping is going to happen because of the habit that people have got into during the corona era. Mahesh is saying gaming industry is already much booming. It was already booming, and it's going to boom more. Very true, right? And then there was one more idea. I don't know if I'm going to able to be recollect or not. Consulting, yes, there was, oh yeah, this thing. Okay, money consulting or financial services or financial services, if you have the right products, if you have the right strategies, coaching in the money area is going to boom like anything. Okay, because people now understand even more the value of money. What happens if India goes again in a 6-month lockdown? How are you going to manage that? You got to, so you were preparing for untimely death. You were preparing for retirement. You were preparing for your kids' marriage or education and all of that. I think lockdown period is another one thing that you need to prepare for. Okay, and this is what people are going to that is what is going to get inside the financial industry as well. Okay, money multiplier plans, passive income, how to generate passive income. Don't worry about lockdown happening in the next 5 years. How to become financially free sitting at home, and all of these things. Okay, all of these problems, if you are solving, then you are in the right business. All right, so so many industries we have already identified to be in right now. Okay, and you know what, one thing I want you to understand is this: you are an entrepreneur. Okay, an entrepreneur is always looking for opportunity. Now this one is a big opportunity. And an entrepreneur is also a creative person. Okay, and he's an inventor. He can create stuff, build stuff, invent stuff, and grab the opportunity. And you know what, an entrepreneur is also willing to move on. In some of your cases, you know, I've worked with thousands of entrepreneurs, and I have seen them not moving on just because of that emotional attachment to an earlier business. Okay. Now, if you have that kind of a thing, okay, so you'll need to really go inside yourself and start introspecting again. Will it really work if you don't make money post corona also, or forget corona also? Anytime, will you be really okay if you are not making money? Because business itself requires a lot of your investments. It requires your money investment, your time investment, your emotional investment as well, your focus investment. Business itself is hard, and it is so hard. If you are doing that hard stuff but still not making money, then there is a big challenge in your own mindset. How many of you agree? Just type in agree in the chat box. Okay. So an entrepreneur is willing to move on, and an entrepreneur is willing to find options and willing to grab those options. Okay. So just to give you an example from this particular group. So if you are someone from a very different industry, but if you want to get into yoga, teaching and practicing, you will become richer faster by teaching yoga, because that is the business you should be in. Okay. Real estate also, I'm going to write in the basic necessities thing. But the entire real estate model is also going to change. The pricing points are going to change. The kind of people who are going to come to you, that is going to change. All right. You'll need to create different kinds of products, even in real estate, and you will need to adapt to that change. Okay. Another thing, an entrepreneur is they adapt quickly. Okay. They adapt quickly. So you have to adapt quickly. You have to change your business model ASAP. Right now, you know, you're sitting at home probably right now. Lockdown is now lifting up. Maybe within a week's time, you'll start working also again, and you'll go back into the same rut. But if you're going back into the same rut without making the necessary changes, without adapting yourself to the new era after this particular session, which we have just gone through, if you're not adapting yourself, then you will have a big challenge on hand, and maybe it will be an unsolvable one, and you'll have to completely shut off things and move on to something else. All right. So be ready for that also. Be ready to move on, start adapting quickly. So, you know, some of the questions you need to ask yourself are, okay, questions to ask yourself if you are an entrepreneur, okay, right now. If you believe you are an entrepreneur, firstly, the question is, are you in the right business? Okay, you need to think about this. Okay. Then the second question you need to ask is, everybody is a hard worker here. Okay. Everybody puts in a lot of effort in your business. I am sure in this, now you are into Success Habits Mastermind, you're definitely a hard worker. But is your hard work really paying off? Okay. That is another question you need to ask yourself. And how to answer that question? Go ahead, look into your bank account. You know, your bank account is the simplest of indicator. Your personal bank account, okay, it's the simplest of indicator that whether your hard work is paying off or not. Okay, that is another question that you need to ask. One more question you need to ask, and by the way, this is a homework for all of you, and I want you to create a video answering these questions and post it in the Facebook community. All right. The third thing to ask is, is it possible for to adapt my current business to the changing scenarios? Okay. There are some business which can adapt, right? But there are some business which absolutely cannot adapt. It is not possible to adapt. All right. So is it possible? Just ask yourself, in my business, is it possible to adapt my current business to the changing scenarios? And another question to that, what do I need to do? Okay, that is another question I want you to ask yourself. What do I need to do? What adaptations I need to create? Okay. Now, another question is, if not possible to adapt, then don't worry, I'm going to send these questions in your WhatsApp group also. If not possible adapt, then you need to ask is, am I really willing to move on? Okay, really willing. Are you really willing? You know, be honest. Be honest. You know, there might be emotional issues there. Just be super honest. Again, in the earlier question, one more question that comes to my mind right now is, will my adapting be really worth the effort? Okay, that is another question. Super important questions I'm giving you right now. You need to really ask yourself. All right. And if not possible adapt, then am I really willing to move on? And then the next question is, to what I need to move on, or what I need to start parallelly. Either you can completely move on, or you can start something parallelly, and start creating more income sources for yourself. Okay, so how many of you think these are awesome questions, some very important questions? Just type in important in the chat box. Just type in important if you believe these are really important questions that you need to ask yourself. Amit, Mahesh, Sunil, Amol, Manish, Nilesh, Vikram, Pramod, Rahul, Vijay, Rakesh, Mitali. Thank you guys. Bipin, very important. Bipin says very important, right? So, this is my assignment to you from this particular session. And I want you to answer these questions in a video format and post it in the Facebook community. Okay, Nilesh, we are not done yet. I have to take some questions from you and then answer. Thank you, Nilesh, for that feedback though. You have to record a video with these questions and you have to answer these questions on video and then post it in the Facebook community. Why am I pushing you for video? Because I want to make you ready for the future. Okay, I want to make you ready for the future. Video is the future, all right? Some or the other way, you'll have to start communicating to a lot of people, reach out to a lot of people. That's what BOMS is all about. The SHA level 1 that you are doing is all about. And video is a big part, okay? Big part. Pratik, I was just talking to Mitali yesterday. We have not seen Pratik go live. So let's push him to go live, okay? So you can go live inside our community and answer these questions and start doing a lot more live sessions also. All right. So super awesome, okay? So I hope this was an important session, a learning session for you guys. And I will soon send you the PDF of this so that you can take those questions and start answering those questions. Okay, how many of you are loving it? How many of you are happy that you are here today morning? Just type in happy. Awesome. And now super happy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And by the way, this session is so important. I am going to include a section of that, the learning section of that, in the start of the BOMS, okay? Because I want to start BOMS with you yourself, asking yourself this question: are you in the right business? Okay,